I'm Chef Jasper, and I'm in the kitchen today because it's s'mores season. S'mores season. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Homemade chocolate chip cookies, marshmallows, but I take it to another level. Nutella and Biscoff. You talk about dangerous, but easy. I'm not talking about dangerous to make. No way. It's a little flame. Let's get started. Get these marshmallows. Put them right on a stick. The kids will love this. Don't have to build the fire outside. Don't worry about that. Here we go. Okay. Now, I will tell you, unlike a lot of people, you talk to people about marshmallows. Yes, I interview people about marshmallows. That is probably what it should look like. But old Jasper, man, oh man, I'm telling you right now, I like to actually burn mine. I don't know, it has more flavor to it. Get a chocolate chip cookie. Come on, I made the cookies. Some of this Nutella. Oh, we're in trouble now. Get our marshmallow, put it right on top of that. Yeah, it's ooey. Yes, it's gooey. Doing it with the kids, it's even more fun. It's gonna stick to this, or you can just leave the stick right in there. I love it. Look at the mess I'm making. Come on. But here we go to another level. Biscoff cookies right on top. Yes, this is cool. This is it. Put this right on top here. If that's not a s'more you don't want to enjoy, I don't know what to tell you. Come on. It's a Biscoff cookie. It's a regular cookie chocolate chip. It's Nutella. It's delicious. I cannot wait to enjoy this. As a matter of fact, I'm going to eat it now. I hope you enjoy yours. Oh, my. Oh, my God. I'm in trouble. Brought to you by Hen House Markets.